Hey now, it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services. Please follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks for watching. An old man told me once he'd rather live like a prince for a lifetime than live like a king for a day. It wasn't until I got a little older that I realized what he was talking about and what he really meant when he said that. What that old man was trying to get me to understand was that slow down, take your time. Don't try to get it all at one time. Pace yourself and get it over a period of time. Now, it would be a dream come true to live like a king for a day, but when that 24 hours is past, oh man, now we back to reality. Now, the prince is not the king, but the prince lives a pretty good lifestyle. So I took this old man's advice and I ran with it for a while. But one day, I thought about it, and after thinking about it for a while, I came to the conclusion. So I went back to this old man and I told him, you know what? I'd rather be a king for a lifetime. And he looked at me and he just laughed. And he said, you go ahead, youngster. So with that being said, from now on, I want to touch cash every day, even if it's $5. I have many ideas and it's going to take cash to fund these ideas. I want to invest in the stock market. I want to invest in rental properties. I want to invest in other business, and it's going to take cash to get that done. Also, I have a family that like nice things, and I like to provide them nice things. So I'm going to need cash for that as well.
I know what that is. So we just kind of halfway watched it this weekend, but
There is so many ways to touch cash, man. It's monetizing your lifestyle. I'm doing stuff like this every day. I'm either washing a car, pressure washing a home, cutting the yard, cleaning some gutters. I'm doing something every day, so I'm gonna capture footage of it and put it on YouTube for the AdSense revenue. Also, Amazon affiliates. Any way that I can make $1, I don't care if it's a dime, I want it. It looks like I'm gonna be doing this for a while, so I'm gonna capitalize. Many of the items used in this video can be found in the description box. Just click on the links. Thanks for watching. Shouts out to the new wave.